it's Megan Gorg, director from Virginia, with 31, and I just want to show you our small utility tote. First debuted in March of this year, 2019, and it's sadly leaving the catalog, hopefully not forever, but definitely for a few months. So August 31st is the last time you can grab one of these. This is honestly my new favorite bag from 31, and I'm super sad to see it leave, so you better believe I've actually stocked up on it. This is my favorite way to shop for groceries now, or even go to Target if we're buying clothes or toiletries or whatever we're needing. It's super compact, so it folds right up and will fold flat in the back of my car. Super easy. You can even stuff it inside other totes to make it easy. It's got the great wire rim at the top, so it's easy to grab things in and out of. This bag also tends to stand up by itself really easily, and it has a great pocket on the front to be able to store different things that you might need to get quick access to. You can personalize this with an iconic or a text or monogram or initial, whatever you need. There's still a few prints available. We've got our green cabana stripe, the charcoal crosshatch, and then pinwheel party, I believe it's called. Just some fun prints. But this is sadly leaving August 31st, and it really is my favorite, one of my new favorite products that we've introduced. It'll be back, but definitely not until at least December, maybe longer. I'm not sure when we're going to bring it back. So these also make perfect gift baskets. Think Christmas gifts or that kind of stuff. So wedding presents stocked with stuff for the fridge or a baby shower, because it's a great travel bag for folks, one of our great utility options. So it's only $28, plus you can add personalization if you want. MeganGorg.com. Don't miss out on it.